Have you tried this? The black magic technique using an embossing folder is easy and it's pretty cool. To see this card come together, stick around. It's coming up next. To try this technique, you'll need an embossing folder, which I have. This one happens to have cutting dies as well, and I will be taking advantage of those. But the key is a folder and a piece of cardstock. So this is white 110-pound Neenah Classic Crest in the Solar White, and that is my sandwich that I will run through my Anna Griffin impress machine. That's what you need, and we want the flipped upside down side. So all you need to do is blend on the side that is the back, basically. And you can use anything to color this in. You can use inks like I'm using. You can go over the whole thing. You can use markers to color in all of the recessed areas as well. But the beauty of this technique is you can throw a bunch of color down like I'm doing because you're going to be covering up most of it with black ink. That's the beauty of the black magic reveal. So take your darkest ink pad, swipe over on a nice firm surface, and watch your design begin to emerge. All of those areas that are recessed are mostly going to stay away from the black ink. Some gets in there because the 3D embossing folders from Simon Says Stamp do have some different layers in them. But the look is so cool. And every time I do this, I think, why don't I do this more? And so if you haven't tried this with your embossing folders, bust them out and get more use out of the products you already have. Now here I have a little bit of matte gold cardstock where I've cut the butterflies that coordinate. And then all you have to do when there are coordinating dies with embossing folders, drop them in. Make sure they're in the recessed area with the pretty side into the recessed area. And when I run them through, look at that gorgeous texture on the butterflies. What I'm going to do is pop these up. I'm going to have a total of 3 and add them to the card. So I trimmed my black magic panel down just a little bit, popping it up onto a black note card. Then I've got foam squares and just a little liquid glue that allows me to kind of wiggle it into place to make sure it's lined up where I want it. I'll add the butterfly bodies to the centers, pop those on, and as soon as that glue dries, the little body is not going anywhere. So the gold just gives a real pop as well on top of the color. Then you just line up the other butterflies in the key locations, pop the bodies on, and you have a beautiful panel ready for a greeting. And for my greeting, I used the Missing You die from my CZ Design collection. I cut out 2 layers of black cardstock and glued those together, topping it with the matte gold as well to have a matching greeting. Did the same for the U, so we have Missing You. Now there is a shadow layer that comes with this die set, but I decided to leave the shadow layer out and just have it straight on like this, right on the pretty panel. Now there are dots over the eyes. Those are called tittles. Funny word, but technically accurate. And I will build those up right onto the panel as well, rather than trying to hold them and stack them with my fingers. This is a much easier way to do that. Again, 2 layers of black cardstock and 1 layer of gold for the top. And that is going to finish out the greeting. And oh, I love the way this looks. Again, if you have not tried this technique, it's so fun. Give it a go. Get your juiciest black pad out and, see what magic ensues. I think there's so much more you can do with embossing folders. This is one of the techniques that is just so fun to try. So be sure to bust out your supplies and give this a try today. You can find links to all of the products I used in today's video in the YouTube description box. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, why not? I'd love to have you. So please hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I post. Here is another video featuring embossing folders that you may be interested in checking out. So I'll see you in that video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.